Qingdao Roy Gong Steel Structure Company Limited is professional of steel structure buildings located in Qingdao City, just 30 kilometers to Qingdao Port. Our workshop area is 45,000 square meters with professional design team, strong production capacity, and 24 hours online service. Our main products: prefabricated steel structure buildings, poultry house, factory, gas station, warehouse, workshop, hangar, steel basketball court, cow shed, water tank tower, etc. Prefab house, container house, expandable house. Welcome to contact us for further negotiation of your projects and achieving mutual success.